Hi, it's Mike with Hiniker Company. In this video I'd like to talk about our V-Plow power unit and a possible scenario that you might have with a left or right wing that's not holding pressure. There's a possibility that one of the two-way valves is coming apart internally, and we'll show a dissection of the power unit and try to pinpoint some areas to look for. So let's head out to the shop and take a look at it. One possible scenario you might find is if your blade isn't holding your left or right wing in position, it's not staying there and it's relieving way too easily or just drifting back. There may be a problem with either one of these two valves. You have a left valve and a right valve that controls each hydraulic cylinder, either left or right. We're going to take one of these apart and I'll show you what to watch for. There is a spacer washer in between those two coils, so you do need to keep that. That has to go back in there to allow those coils to sit on this valve in the proper position. So by unscrewing this valve, this is pulling the inner valve out. This is how it should look. So if you pull this part out and you don't see this attached, it's still stuck down in there. And so what's happening is this inner part of the valve is starting to work loose, and then the ports don't line up, so you can't hold any pressure. If you have it and all you pull out is this part, there are still other parts still stuck down in the block. So what you'll have is something like this, and this will come out. That part will still be stuck in your block. If you can't get that pulled out with a dental pick or needle nose pliers to pull on that, I've taken an old valve and ground the threads off the outside so I can use the inner threads to grab that piece, screw that onto it, and then you can pull that out. Once you have all of these parts out of the block, you can reassemble them. Put a little Loctite on these threads, let it sit overnight, and that valve more than likely can be reused. So you'd reassemble it like this and let it dry overnight and then reinstall. If you have to make yourself a puller, at that point you will have to get yourself a new complete valve. That should, if you're having trouble holding your left and right and it's not a relief valve problem, then this is something to look for. It's rare, but it can happen. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions or you need a more detailed explanation on it, please give me a call here at Hiniker Company. Thanks and have a great day.